Welcome back here with us on Breaking Ground. Let's now get you the latest update that we are getting at this point in time from the state of Uttar Pradesh. Ayodhya is preparing for by-elections. UP Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath has kick-started his two-day visit to Ayodhya. Remember, 10 constituencies will see by-polls in Uttar Pradesh, including Milkipur Assembly seat in the temple town Ayodhya after it fell vacant once Samajwadi Party leader Avdesh Prasad was elected to Lok Sabha. The UP Chief Minister visited the Hanumangadi temple, and the Ram Mandir temple visit is likely to happen in a short while from now. Yogi Adityanath, the UP Chief Minister, is also set to meet the BJP local leadership at around 7 p.m. this evening. Here's a report.
Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath is on a two-day visit to Ayodhya. This is his first visit after the Lok Sabha polls. You can see in the visual, this is the convoy of Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath. The Chief Minister is passing through this side. And this is a crucial visit ahead of the by-polls in the state. There are 10 seats that will go into by-polls. You can see this is the convoy of Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath. He is heading towards to hold a review meeting with the officials of Ayodhya, the senior administrative officials of Ayodhya. After this meeting, Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath will also be holding a review meeting with the BJP leaders, local leaders in Ayodhya. He will be taking feedback from them, what happened in Lok Sabha polls, how they are planning to come, what is the plan for the by-polls. So this is a crucial two-day visit of Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath in Ayodhya, where he will be taking stocks of the development project, the law and order situation in Ayodhya, the recent gang rape which took place in Ayodhya. Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath will be taking stock of all the happening that has happened in the previous month in Ayodhya. With Vijay Kafil Ahmed, Adib Walter, Times Now, Ayodhya.
And while the Chief Minister is set to take feedback from the local BJP leadership on the prevailing ground situation, the Congress party believes that the BJP is only trying to put forward a brave face, when in reality the party is facing serious crisis, serious issues when it comes to infighting, which ultimately is affecting the law and order situation in the state. Listen in.
तो मैं तो नहीं मानता कि सब कुछ ठीक ठाक है। ये मैं मान सकता हूँ कि बाहर से दिखाने के लिए इन लोगों ने एक पोस्चर बनाया कि सब ठीक ठाक है, ऑल इज वेल। खैर, ये बीजेपी का अपना अंदरूनी झगड़ा है, उससे हम कुछ लेना देना नहीं। हमें तो सिर्फ इतना कहना है कि उत्तर प्रदेश में कानून व्यवस्था दिन ब दिन खराब होती जा रही है। उत्तर प्रदेश में बेरोजगारी, महंगाई तेजी के साथ बढ़ रही है। कहीं बाढ़ है, कहीं सूखा है, दोनों जगह सरकार असफल है। तो मैं तो ये मान रहा हूँ कि सरकार उत्तर प्रदेश की जनता की अपेक्षाओं पे खरी नहीं उतर रही है, इसीलिए हर मुद्दे को सांप्रदायिक रूप देने की कोशिश कर रही है।
And there's some breaking update coming at this point in time. UP Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath is conducting a review meet to assess the progress of the development work in Ayodhya district. That's the update we are getting for you. Let me go across to my colleague Adib, joining us live, tracking the developments very, very closely from Ayodhya. Adib, good evening. What more details can you share with us? Clearly, the effort shows that the BJP and UP Chief Minister specifically does not want to take things lightly anymore, especially after what happened during the Lok Sabha elections in this area.
Well, certainly, after the setback in Lok Sabha polls, Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath himself has taken the baton in his hand, and now he is in Ayodhya on a two-day crucial visit. This is the crucial visit of Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath. First, he visited the Hanumangadi temple and Ram temple to offer his prayer, and after offering his prayers at the Ram temple and Hanumangadi, Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath is currently holding a meeting with the senior officials, administration and police officials of Ayodhya. He is holding a review meeting at the which is for the law and order and for the development related projects in the temple town. Currently, right now I'm outside the circuit house. This is where Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath will be holding a meeting with the BJP leadership of Ayodhya and the neighboring district. All the leaders have been called over here at around 7 p.m. Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath will be coming over here. He will be taking feedback from them, what happened during the Lok Sabha polls and how they are preparing for the upcoming by-polls. There's a by-poll that will take place in Uttar Pradesh. 10 seats will go in by-polls. and one of the seats is Milkipur. This seat belonged to Avdesh Prasad. He was the MLA member of Legislative Assembly from this particular seat. But now, since he's an MP, this seat is vacant, and it's a prestige battle both for BJP and Samajwadi Party, for which Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath.
It is indeed a prestige battle, and it will be important to see what happens, because a lot is going to change after the results of this seat specifically. Appreciate you joining us for the moment with all of those details. We'll keep coming back to you for more on the story. For now, slipping into another very, very short break. Lots coming up for you on the other side. Stay with us.